Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar gained 0.3% against the yen in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The gold dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair exploded 2.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street's equity indexes ended a volatile session in the red, and the dollar made little progress, while bond yields fell as investors digested minutes from the latest Federal Reserve meeting. Elizabeth Warren and 6 other Democratic senators are pressing Texas's energy regulator on whether the crypto mining industry is putting additional strain on the state's grid and its impact on climate change. The Canadian dollar edged lower against its US counterpart, moving closer to its weakest level in over 2 years, as investors weighed data showing US producer prices climbed more than expected in September.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US retail sales will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 1400 hours GMT. Finland's gross domestic product at 0500 hours GMT. Finland's Consumer Price Index will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions at 1930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.